and experience new things. Have a little rest now. Oh, thanks. Yeah, that guy needs that.
Hello.
Just Sean said he would walk without a shirt on.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would feel good actually.
I don't know why I chose to wear pants.
Is it hot? It's probably good if you fall over though to land on material rather than skin. So this takes about 40 minutes. There's a mountain, the Pyramid in Gordonvale, which is about an hour from here, that is a lot bigger and a lot longer to climb up it. Which is pretty awesome. This is really cool. This is a pretty steady incline, really.
Are we almost at the top?
Yeah, I can sort of see the last bit of the climb through there.
Are there chairs at the top?
Yeah. You would want to be semi-fit doing this.
What?
I said you would want to be semi-fit doing this. Are you struggling? I'm trying to, if you're still watching, Sean, trying to figure out how to bring Micah up here on my shoulders or back somehow. Up the top. Well, we stop the stream for a bit and then restart. Oh.
No, don't. Stop.
Oh, Mum's watching.
Hello.
And Sean's watching too, Heidi.
Mum.
Levi was just running out of stamina then, maybe you getting on will help. Six people are watching. I will say we would get up to the top probably in definitely before 15 minutes. Is Micah watching? Look, I think Micah watching.
Is Micah watching?
I think so. It's a shame it's so drizzly out there. I don't know how good the view's going to be.
Looks like a dinosaur.
Can you see that other mountain through there? I think that's pretty much cloud. Alright, here's another little flat bit. Are you alright?
Yeah.
There's David.
Oh, okay.
You wanna have a... Oh, she said it's quite blurry.
Are you tired now?
No, never.
Yeah, right.
I wonder how to shoot it in 1080p.
Are you doing it in...
That turns the camera around.
Are you doing it in 4K?
Yeah, I wish. Oh, no wonder people